I just rode the new record-breaking dive coaster, Wrath of Rakshasa. Hello people, and welcome to or back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, please subscribe because I will be putting out more Six Flags and roller coaster content very soon. I also post a lot of travel vlogs, water slide videos, that kind of thing. So if you're into this, you might be into some of my other content as well. I wanted to be one of the first people to ride this coaster. That did not happen. So I was like, hey, maybe if I get there early, I'll get in line early, and then I'll be like one of the first people that... I took my extremely handsome boyfriend with me. We were at the front entrance before it opened. And the second we got in, we started like power walking to try and get to it. And the line, it went on and on. And I remember my boyfriend was like, no, let's just like keep walking because this might not be the line for it. And I'm like, are you sure about that? So we walked to try and find like the front of the line to make sure it was for Wrath of Rakshasa, so we're not waiting in some like random line. The line went all the way to near Max Force. The line seemed to be moving decently fast. There were 3 trains and each train held 21 people. So there was a decent amount of people like going on. The ride did have some technical difficulties 2 times. It could have been more, but we only noticed 2. The ride gets very close to the queue. Like you get really close. I know everything's measured for safety, but it was close. Put your guess in the comments how long it took for us to get on the ride. 2 hours and 15 minutes. It was about like 15 minutes longer than the app listed. It accelerates very fast in the beginning, like faster than most of the rides at Six Flags. My main complaint for the ride was my head, but that might just be like something I have to get used to because I had that same complaint about the Batman when I first rode it, but that's not really a problem for me anymore. But this ride was intense. It was pretty intense, but I enjoyed it. I thought it was fun. It was just like crazy and something I definitely will have to get used to kind of enjoy more. A few interesting things about this ride were the spot where you put your drinks and bags is like, boyfriend referred to it as a lazy Susan type thing, but you put it in like a cubby and it literally like flies through the air to the other side towards the exit. I don't know how efficient that was. I mean, it gets everybody away from the entrance, but I was scared my bag was gonna fall out. Like even though there was a strap, I was like, still, you cannot wait to sit in the front. There is a sign that says, no, you get assigned, you get what you get. Can't wait for the front. But overall, I really enjoyed the ride. I think it was very good. And of course, like, as soon as we get out, I checked the wait times and it says it's only 90 minutes. So getting there early was kind of pointless, I guess. So that's kind of my experience going. I did have a great time. I do recommend that you go check it out for yourself. Here's the moment y'all have been waiting for, the POV. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you could please subscribe, like, comment, do all the things to support me. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'd like to remind you that you are wanted, you are loved, and you are valid. Bye!